தர்ம வீரரே தர்மசீலரே, மக்கள் மனதில் வாழ்பவர் நம் காமராஜரே. மனிதநேயரே கனிவான தோழரே, நாடு போற்றும் நல்லவர் நம் காமராஜரே. தலைவனுக்கும் தலைவன் நம் காமராஜரே, முதல்வனுக்கும் முதல்வன் நம் காமராஜரே, ராஜனுக்கும் ராஜன் நம் காமராஜரே, அறிஞனுக்கும் அறிஞன் நம் காமராஜரே. எளியவர்க்கும் எளியவர், வலியவர்க்கும் வலியவர்.
Principal, teachers, judges and my dear friends, good afternoon to everyone. Today I feel honored to speak about one of India's greatest leaders, Perum Thalaivar K. Kamarajar. Kamarajar was born on 15th July 1903 in Virudhunagar. This day is celebrated as Educational Development Day. His father's name is Kumaraswamy Nadar and his mother's name is Sivagami Ammal. Though he had only a few years of formal education, he believed that education was the key to a better future. He worked hard throughout his life for the welfare of the people. As the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Kamarajar introduced many reforms. He opened thousands of new schools, especially in village, so that many children could receive an education. He also expanded the midday meal scheme, encouraging the poor children to attend the class. Because of his effort, many students who could not afford education got the opportunity to learn. Kamarajar was also known for his honesty, simplicity and selfless service. His life teaches us to be honest, humble, hardworking and dedicated to service others. Kamarajar was died on 2nd October 1975. Let us follow his value and work together to build a better society. I conclude my speech with one of his beliefs: education is the greatest wealth. Thank you. Have a great day.
I born on July 15, 1903. Today is my birthday. My birthday is celebrated in Educational Development Day. I called as a kingmaker.
Karma Virat Kamarajar.
K. Kamarajar, one of the greatest leader of India. He is popularly known as the Kingmaker and Kalvi Thandai, father of education of Tamil Nadu. His parents were Kumaraswamy Nadar and Sivagami Ammal. Due to family difficulties, he could not continue his education. Kamarajar passed away on October 2, 1954. Came from a simple and poor family. He joined the freedom movement and fought against the British. After India became free, he worked hard for the people. Kamarajar was the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu from 1954 to 1963. As the Chief Minister, he improved schools and roads, started midday meal scheme to help poor children. He believed education was very important for everyone. People called him Kalvi Thandai, which means father of education. He lived a simple and honest life and never misused power. We should remember Kamarajar and try to be honest and kind like him. We should learn from his good qualities. Kamarajar passed away on 2nd October 1975. Thank you all.
He came from a poor family and left school at the young age.
His name is Karma Virat Kamarajar. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of a man transformed millions of views, the legendary leader Mr. Kumaraswamy Kamarajar. In Tamil Nadu, this day is celebrated as Education Development Day. Award the Bharat Ratna. Kamarajar life teacher us the values of service, simplicity to the nation. Thank you so much for all.
Kamarajar was born on 15th July 1903 in Virudhunagar, a district of Tamil Nadu. Kumaraswamy Kamaraj was popularly known as Kamarajar. Kumaraswamy Kamaraj was a great leader of Tamil Nadu. His parents' name was Kumaraswamy Nadar and Sivagami Ammal. He is known as the kingmaker of Indian politics. He started free education for children in Tamil Nadu, schools and dams. He received the Bharat Ratna award in 1975.
He served jail terms multiple times in British India. Freedom fighter and a politician. In 1954, Kamarajar was elected as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. His first move as the chief minister was the opening of about 6,000 schools. He also introduced free education, free midday meal schemes in all government schools. He called kingmaker in Indian politics because he helped to choose good prime minister for the country.